Ring for Nurse, we've got the 2-pack of the Ring for Nurse bells. These are great for nurses who have patients who the patients need to notify when the nurse is needed. These are great because I've actually been in a situation where I was in a room and I was unable to get a hold of the nurse, and that was a very scary situation for me. So, worst case scenario, you need a couple of these just in case. I think they have a nice look to them. You can see you've got it on both sides. Ring for Nurse, kind of a nice little cool design. You have that kind of blue doctor vibe. You have the stethoscope on there. These are just very nice. These are Amazon's choice for these. So that's why they come highly recommended. The fact that you get two of them, I think, is great. You know, we live in crazy times. You never know when the nurse is needed. And straight up, look at those, dude. They're just waiting to ding dong that nurse.